I just bought and tested these 3 laptop couch desks for your couch, bed, whatever. If you work from home, you're absolutely going to love these. I'm going to go over what I like about each one, what I don't like about each one, and ultimately which one I think is the best. The problem that I have, I work from home all the time. So if I'm sitting on the couch, I'm working on my laptop, I'm either way up here or way down here, and that's not good for anything back here. So this is going to fix that. I'm going to show you what the laptop looks like on it, a tablet, can it fit a mouse, all this type of stuff. Does it fold up? I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly know to make the best decision for you. So this is the BioFi one. I think that's how you say that. This one is by Tech or something, and this one is by OptiCell. So those are the 3 different ones. We're gonna go, let's just start with, we're gonna start with this one right here. So this is the one by BioFi right over here. What I like about this one, it folds down just like this. So this is how it comes. This requires no assembly whatsoever. It literally just comes in a black box. You open it up just like that, take that like this, and then we're good to go right over here. We have a cup holder right over here. We have a tablet stand right over there. This is gonna be 23 inches of workable space right over there, which is really, it's actually a lot of space in my opinion, which I personally like. So I'm gonna put this down right over here. This is a laptop. For the focus of this, it's going to be about 12 inches. Most laptops are anywhere from 11 to 13 inches. So just keep that in mind. This could probably hold up to like 17-inch one. So we have this right over here. I'm going to put my mouse down right over here. Plenty of space. You can see if you're going to use a mouse. I always use a mouse. I prefer to use a mouse. Just better for me. You can just see it's very freely, plenty of space. Want to put a phone right over here. You could probably fit like a small notebook over here. You can see here up close, plenty of room to work here. It's not cramped at all whatsoever. You'll see here, this is not adjustable up or down or this way. You'll see plenty of space here. I could easily put another leg. I might have been a little concerned, so this is super spacious for me. And I really like that aspect about it. In terms of a tablet, you want to put a tablet on here. This is a Mac iPad. It easily sits just like that. You'd also put it like that. If you are using a tablet like this, you easily have so much space. If you want to put a keyboard, if you want to use a mouse, or whatever you want to do, or if you're just eating a meal, this would be super sturdy and solid. Also very nice about this, just put it like this, fold it up, and you were done. Really, really like this one a lot. Next one here, this is gonna be the, I think this is, I forgot what this one is, EVTech, I think it's called. So this is this one right over here. This one is about 22 inches across. We have the cup holder here. The main difference in this one is this has a space that pops up. So you'll be able to angle your tablet, angle your laptop. For me, I don't know how important that is, but if that's important to you, for this one, it comes just like this right out of the box. So you just open it up just like that, take those down, and then we're gonna just put this just like this. It goes this way. So you could have this right over here. Again, for these, legs are not adjustable, but it is a good height. Again, if you're looking down here, plenty of space with the legs. So let's get a laptop on here and a mouse. So we have this setup going right over here. You can see right over here, plenty of space to move the mouse around. If you kind of get a phone on here, not as much space as the first one. I would kind of say this one's not cramped, but compared to the other one, there's just not as much like movable space, which I'm kind of not a fan of. You do have the cup holder right over here. And then if you did want to elevate this, you have about 4 or 5 different modes. So you'll see right over here, this does pop up just like this. And then right over here is this piece right over here. And then you just select a notch. And then when it locks into a notch just like that, it's gonna stay just like this. So if you wanted your laptop elevated, if that's important to you, or a tablet, this would be the one for you, because this one is the only one that has that elevation. aspect of it. So that is this one right over here. So a pro note right over here, if you're gonna fold this, you wanna fold it up. If you fold it down right over here, it doesn't go all the way shut. And for this one right here, this also folds up just like that. This is the next one right over here. So this one right over here, you do have to do a little bit of assembly on this, but it's no big deal. Each of these kind of arms, I would call it, you're gonna get them in 2 plastic bags. All you literally have to do is just line up the holes on the arm, just like that, super easy, and push it in, and you are good to go. This is a really nice one, I have to say. So this is pretty spacious right over here. This is what this one looks like. 23 inches across of workable space right over here. This is what a laptop looks like on it right over here. We got a mouse right over here. You want to put your phone over here. Plenty of space right over here. You'll see as we go close, you can see plenty of space. So this one is very spacious up top, which I appreciate. Another thing that I appreciate about this is it's kind of hard to see, but if you look at this right over here, these are basically like armrests right over here. And it feels like really, really soft. So you do get the idea. You can like kind of put your elbows down here. So it's very restful. Like this is going to be great for the bed, especially if you're working in there, which is really, really nice. Also on this one, you have pockets. So if you want to put a phone, a tablet, to give you just a sense of space. I don't know where my tablet went. Here it is. You want to put this tablet into here. That's kind of how much space you have. This would probably be good for a remote or even a phone, or if you had something else about it. This is not fold down or anything. This isn't adjustable either. So if I had to rank these or choose, to be honest, I would say this one right here, the Biofy or whatever it's called, is my favorite. Folds down. So this one stores really, really well. You could fold it down. You could open it up. This is going to be great if you are actually using this to work, because I think this gives you the most flexibility with a laptop on here and mouse movement. That's the big thing for me, is if you want to use a mouse on one of these, this is going to be the one for you. It also gives you the option for the tablet stand right over here. You also have a cup holder, which is nice, but the idea that you could just fold this up and store it is probably my favorite part. I would say second would be this one right over here. I don't really care about the cup holder, so that doesn't really bother me. What I don't like about this one is it doesn't store easily. Like it's just going to be like this. So if you're not planning on using it a lot, it could take up some space. If you don't care about that, this is going to be great. I think this is going to be great for your bed. So I'd say if you're really truly working on this and want to have a mouse and a lot of space, this is going to be number one for you. This would be good if you're just kind of looking for some luxury and you just kind of want to sit back, relax, and you're just going to use your laptop without a mouse. Still plenty of space there. And I would say this one right over here is going to be good if you want to use that angle feature. So if angling your laptop or your tablet is important, that is going to be this one. But for me, I like this one the best. This is the one I'll be using. Again, you can't really go wrong with any of these. It's just personal preference. Like I said, I don't get obstructed with this one with the cup holder or anything like that. Plenty of mouse space. Like the fact that it has the tablet stand that you can just put that in. So if you are looking for a great laptop stand for your couch or bed, I really like this one, but you really can't go wrong with any of them. It is truly just personal preference.